become of this city? There used to be laws, justice. Crime is out of control. Cats are missing. We were supposed to protect those who couldn't protect themselves. We now know for a fact that Scrambles the missing cat is part of a larger conspiracy. We also know that the fucking Freedom Pals have more information about this conspiracy than we do. Megapal Hood, curses. The only reason that Freedom Pals are ahead of us right now is because they're butt-fucking cheaters who sold out. Coon and Friends assemble. Freedom Pals unite. Motherfucker. You're such a dick, Coon. Mosquito away. Super Craig is gay.
Tama.
Until next time. Dude, the fuck? Oh! Are you shitting me? Fast paced.
Damn it! I can't put a child in a dark room for 2 minutes without you bastards showing up!
South Park, the fractured but home.
Available now. Get the Stick of Truth free with purchase.